nataron sa walkway to the old volcano. Kita na kuya? Kita ko? Nataron sa walkway to the old volcano. So I have not checked guys if how many hours or how many minutes it's going to take to reach the peak, but yeah, we can do it. I like it guys because I miss hiking, I miss trekking, I miss the 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. hike. So this is it. Bumabawi ako dito sa Camiguin guys. Para wala mga tusis ng ating katawan. Diba guys? Diba? Ganda. Ito si Kuya Reno, ang aking guide today. Bati guys kasi simentado ang daan. Nakailang stations na tayo ya? 4 pa lang? And it has like 16 stations. So kailangan ipasa natin guys ang 16 stations. So ang sarap na magpawis guys. Ha! Buti na lang guys, naka-ready ako today. Yung outfit of the day. Yung outfit of the day today is from Cebu, diretso na sa lakad. Hi guys, so we are here already at the 11th station. Nandun banda 11 stations. Ayan, pahinga muna kasi guys nakakahingal, tapos umaambon-ambon na rin. So kung gusto mong pupunta doon sa pinakatutok ng volcano, dyan ka dadaan guys, kaso lang bawal daw sabi ni Kuya Rino, kaya dito kami na lang, tapusin na namin ang stations. Ayan ang Sunken Cemetery guys. So magpapatuloy tayo sa ating journey to the 16th station. Sobrang ganda ng paligid dito guys. Ayan, umaambon na guys, humahabol ang ambon sa akin. Talaga yung uy, namatay. Dito talaga yun guys. This is the 12th station. Talagang malaki talagang bulkan na to. Nandito tayo sa Masanaya, ilan ng bulkan. Paanan ng bulkan. Sa kalagitnaan na tayo guys. Simento na ulit. Maambon-ambon.
Okay na na.
Yes, hi guys. So we have completed the 15 stations. It took us like 30 minutes, no, from there up here in the 15 stations. So it took us 30 minutes. And sarap ang hangin dito guys. Ganda, super ganda ng view. Ito na lang, si Ulan ay nag-stop at hindi siya humabol sa akin. Sarap ang papawis guys, kaya punta na kayo dito sa Camiguin. Wow na wow ang Camiguin. So this is my first day, this is my second destination today. This is the walkway to the old volcano, so you can experience here 15 stations. If you want to have, you know, offer sacrifice or repatriation to your family members who are sick, your family members who wants to pass the board exam. So di lang, continue na siya. To pass the board exam, you can have the offering here the old volcano which has the 15 stations. So, masarap sa pakiramdam guys. Kaya ngayon, babalik na tayo. Back trail tayo guys kasi we have the same route na lang, no? Walang ibang daanan pa uwi. It's the same coming here, vice versa. So, thanks guys. Encounter magyapon na siya. So guys, dahil natapos na namin ang 15 stations. Dito tayo ngayon mag-relax. Careful lang tayo guys kasi medyo malalim dito. Ayan o. Sobrang lalim guys. Pero baka dumiretso tayo doon guys. Baka maligid tayo doon papuntang station 1. Kaya careful, extra careful lang talaga. Ayan. Yan ang view dito sa harap ko. Diba? Very relaxing ang moment dito guys. Ngayon, ako lang at ang guide kong si Kuya Rino. Nandito kasi yung ibang grupo pauwi na, nakababa na sila. So we are the last bots to come over. Ayan, masarap. Masarap sa pakiramdam guys. Oh, the world is so beautiful. Look how gracious God's creation is. So glorious, right guys? Hi guys, good morning. So today is my second day here in Camiguin and we are going to the White Island. Maulan guys, sobra. So the boat fee